Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to view edit history in Google Doc. Let's start the video. First, open your Google Doc. You can see here my Google Doc. On left top side, you can see here file option. Click on file. Now, you can see here version history. Just keep your cursor on version history. Now, two more tabs are open. Name, current version, and see version history. Just click on version history. Here you can see when I have edited the file today, yesterday, Monday, Sunday, Saturday. So this is the basic step to view history when you have edited your Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.